The brand new Atlantis Hack Squat Pro is here at Definition Fitness. We are absolutely stoked to add this incredible piece of equipment to the gym, and I'm going to take you guys through why it's so good, why we absolutely couldn't wait to get this in here and invested a lot of time, energy and money to get this in for our members to enjoy. Now, first off, Hack Squat runs on these rollers and has been designed to be super smooth. Now, this piece was designed or made by Atlantis. They make some incredible equipment as it is. We've got a few of their pieces here in the gym already, but what they did was brought in Coach Casson, one of the best biomechanics coaches in the world, to adjust it, to improve it, to make all these different tweaks to it, to make it even better from the great version it was already. So it's been put through the ringer in terms of upgrades and adjustability. So check this out. The foot plate down the bottom is fully adjustable, so you can change the height and the angle of this bad boy depending on what you want to target and to suit your mechanics better to get the most out of it. It also has some design band pegs where you can, up the back here, you can do reverse banded work. So what this does, we've got rollers that move. There's a band peg there. The band goes up and over the back of it, and the roller can move for us, and then it attaches down onto the sled. Now, this bad boy weighs 50 kilos on its own without any weight added to it. The whole machine is about 600 kilos. It was a bit of a struggle to get this bad boy in here, but we managed it. So what these bands do is, as you lower down, they tension up and basically unload the weight as we go down to make it a little bit easier down that bottom position, but then add load as you come back up there. So a great way to change the strength curve and suit the strength curve more specifically to get the most out of it. So it's got two of those there, but it also has band pegs down here where we can attach a band through there and to the bottom underneath as well. So now I can get more tension as I push out of the bottom and actually pick up tension and make it more challenging at the top where we're mechanically advantaged or where we're stronger. So you get more load and more tension where we're stronger up the top. So you can have all these different variations of the bands. Now, when we jump in it, there's a couple of different setups. So basically we set our feet where we feel nice and strong. We've got our safety here. So the red handle just here is our safety. Now that automatically unlocks. So all I need to do is set in the shoulder pads designed to be as comfortable as possible so they're not squashing your traps or shoulders. So when we're pushing heavy loads, we can be super comfortable. And from there, I'm just gonna boom, lift up and I get automatic unlock straight away. So I'm gonna set the feet, take a big breath in, brace nice and solid, lower down, get into this super deep position and drive out with the quads from there. Now we can lock it back on just by pulling that red lever. And it's got 3 different points you can lock it on based on your height. So if somebody's a little bit shorter, then you can lock it on a little bit lower and it makes it easier to get in and out of it for you specifically. We've also got an adjustable safety down here. So that red knob there, if we lift that, we can lift the safety up. So if you're going heavy and you're worried about getting stuck in there, for example, you've got a safety there to keep you really safe whilst pushing to failure or pushing really hard in this bad boy. Now finally, one of the other best pieces about this thing as well is it turns into a leg press. So there's another red knob back there and we can pull that out and we can lift up the back pad angle and it can come all the way up to there. So now I can jump in and we've set up into a leg press. So you can see now my hip is gone into more of a flex position and same unlock. Boom, I'm gonna set up on there. We've got handles for that leg press. Breathe in and brace, gonna lower down into that and then drive, boom, out of that bottom position with a leg press. So you've got 2 variations there, the hack squat and the leg press, bands from the top, bands from the bottom, all these adjustabilities. It automatically disengages by itself, super smooth. This thing is absolutely incredible. We're so stoked to have it in the gym for all our members to enjoy. If you've got any questions about us, let us know. If not, come on in, get on this bad boy, go hard and build a set of strongest legs you ever have in your life. And I'll see you legends very soon.